If you've ever used TON's old token bridge, you need to hear this. The bridge is shutting down permanently on September 1st. If you still have bridged assets sitting in your wallet, you need to move them back before then. Wrapped TON on Ethereum or BNB? Bridge it back to TON. Have USDT, USDC or JWBTC on TON? Bridge them back to Ethereum. And right now, percentage-based transfer fees are waived. Don't wait until September. Check your wallet and move your assets while the bridge is still active. Bridge site, bridgev3ton.org. Stay updated always.